Hey, what's up guys? Today on this video I will show you how we can use disk cleanup tool on Windows 10 to free up the storage on our computer by removing all unnecessary files. So let's get started. First of all, open your drives and then right click on the drives which you want to clean. So for now I'm going to clean up this C drive, so right click on the C drive and click on properties, and here you can see an option for disk cleanup. So click on this option and you can select which files you want to delete. Here you can see the size of the files on the right side, and on the left side you can see the name of the file. So select all the files that you want to delete, and also you can clean up system files by selecting this option. So if you want to clean up system files, click on here, and now you can select system files as well. So from here you can delete those unnecessary Windows update files and all those temporary files that you don't need, and then you can get more space on your computer. So select all these options, whichever you want to delete, and then after you select those options, click on OK, and then it will delete permanently delete those files. Select delete files and it will clean up your drive, and you will get more space on your computer. So you can use this method to get more space on your computer if you are running low on space on your PC.